guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pritha. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. This vlog is very special because today I'm traveling to Bhutan. That's the flight. Hello. Oh yes.
Welcome to Bhutan.
Thank you so much. With me is traveling Arushi. We have just landed. She's come from Delhi. And yeah. Here is our guide, Mr. Pema.
Hi. Please enjoy.
So we've come to see the chain link here. And there's a monastery up there. Guys, this bridge is like bouncing. Oh god, this was scary.
Thimphu is our capital city.
Okay.
So you can see like 100,000, 1 lakh people living in Thimphu.
My god.
Other city like Paro, other city Punakha, maybe about 10-15,000 people living there. In the whole states, you know.
So guys, this is the Paro river. And you can see, we've stopped here to see the stupas here. It's an authentic Bhutanese restaurant. Which leaf? Is the same leaf?
Wow, it's like citrus. Sichuan pepper.
Oh, Sichuan pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, pepper.
Please come backwards.
Okay, got it. So this is where we're having lunch. Look at the color. Yes. Butter tea. Something new. Namkeen hai pura. This is chicken, mixed veg, some veg soup, some pate, asparagus, some chili and cheese which is called emadachi here. This is some dried leaves, right? And this pancake and rice. There's so much food. Arushi, you can do it. But don't fall before your 30th birthday.
Yeah, like since this is one of the monuments located in part of the city, so most of the elder people they just live out here, in and around. So good custom that we have in Bhutan is same like in India, 3 or 4 generation people live together. You know? So the parents they doesn't have any work, so they just come out here, stay with the kids. You know? These like the monuments are all built with the woods, you know.
Wood, yes.
We have extensive use of wood in all the architects.
And you can see, as Pema said, there are so many senior citizens. Yeah. It's their everyday thing. They come here, chill, make friends.
Tour.
Wow.
Yeah. And now, the ticket for the Buddha, giant Buddha, cost $47 million.
My god.
It's all diamond, you know.
All diamond.
Yeah. Shall we?
$47 million.
How many rings could have been made out of?
For just good so thinking. So many solitaires. Just look at this. We've come to the Buddha point. Amazing. Yeah. Huge statue, enormous. And that was the tika we were talking about. We are going on a trek. So, a secret, this is like the first trek of my life. I've never trekked before. Arushi's like shocked. So guys, that was the Buddha point that we went to. So we've come a long way. And a long way to go. See the wind blowing. My god. लग रहा है we will just fall off the cliff only हवा से.
Different species. The long one, it's called blue pine. This is softwood.
Okay.
Once you reach to Punakha, then you will have a bigger round.
So we have completed the hike and we did good, right, Pema?
Yes, excellent.
Excellent is little far too much. Maybe 6 out of 10. Scope of improvement.
Yeah, you did it.
Yeah, we did it. And now we are going to the farmers market.
Yeah, Sentinel Farmers.
Yeah, to see the local produce.
Let's do some shopping.
Yes.
Sentinel Farmers Market.
Centenary.
It's cheap.
This is chili. Dried green.
It's white.
White chili. Wow. There are pickles here. Rice. You can buy green chilies. You can try their apples. Guys, look at the mirchi powder. This is the part of their farmers market. Such a great place to just come and have a coffee. So we got the local peaches here. So now we are going on the hunt for good momos. The momo corner.
Oh wow.
Chili paste? Oh, I can't. Oh, no. Are you serious? Oh my god. I don't have the guts. So some coffee, cheese momos, soup. So Arushi's trying laughing. Try and give your review.
It's a fat laughing.
Good.
Is it
But
spicy?
is it vegetarian?
Yeah.
It is.
Tastes so much like meat. ऐसा लग रहा है 1 महीने से आए हुए
Because you were trying to do so much in like one day.
Tashi Chozong
Okay.
means they used to have. This is just a river,
Okay.
stream down there. You can see like the triangle shape rules right now.
Yeah.
It's mainly been for the defense purpose.
Okay. So that's why the fortress was built close to water and everything.
Most of the fortress, yeah, it's built in a strategic position for the defense.
Okay. Because that also gives them like a boundary, right? The river. So we've come on a very good day.
Yeah.
There are special artifacts here today. And all the local people also have come to get blessed. I've not seen such architecture anywhere. That's the Prime Minister of Bhutan, guys. So we are going inside and we are not supposed to record or film. So you have to come to Bhutan to see all this. Can I ask you a question? Like one thing that you love about Bhutan, being a local here. I know there are many things, but just one if you have to point out.
I love to eat.
That's a good reason. It's one of the happiest countries, so there might be a lot of reasons, right?
Yes.
Why people here are so friendly. Yeah.
The generosity and then the kindness that Bhutanese people have. So natural, that is a natural smile that most of people like whenever you see at a first glance, they will give a big smile. You know?
Yeah. They're very
So
positive, like even to look at, they're all smiling and happy.
If they are satisfied, then like they will be happy. You know?
Yeah, for
Otherwise-
money, I think satisfaction nowadays in the world, there's no limit. But if you find the limit and you know, then I think
That's true.
that's a good way of keeping positive and happy.
Especially like if you go back to the village, you know,
Yeah.
like later you'll know we are going to the farmhouse. You will know that when you reach to that farmhouse, like you'll see the simple life in the village, you know. So once they have a dinner, then they just get out,
Yeah.
go to bed, start the day early in the morning, you know. That is the daily kind of the routines that people follow. So they just don't think they need the money, but the thing is they don't think more about the life, you know.
Yeah.
So what they think is eat, sleep, work.
Yeah, we want that life.
And be content.
So this is day 1 of finding out why Bhutan is the happiest country in the world. So we are here at a hotel. There's a lot of surprises for you. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Oh wow. Ready? Welcome.
Wow. So beautiful.
So they upgraded us.
Wow. Thank you so much.
So guys, this is our room. Here is a little kitchenette, a little dining area, some place where we can chill with the view here. This is amazing. And look at the study place. Birthday girl is there. And this is our room. And this is the loo. So I think it's amazing. And especially because they've given so much stuff. They've given cookies and produce that is from Bhutan only. I can see honey. So that's really nice of them. So are you ready for the surprise? Birthday coming early, come.
Why is this cake on a string?
Because you're turning 30, so you get 30 gifts. क्या हो गया? चक्कर क्यों आ रहा?
You're setting standards too high, Pritha.
So we've come for dinner where we are staying in a hotel. There's a nice cafe on the rooftop and you can see the amazing view of Thimphu. This is our paneer, naan, and it's yum.
The naan is also very yum.
Yeah.
I'm eating it just plain.
So today is day 2 and we're having breakfast at our hotel. And here is the birthday girl. We had amazing last night because we passed out.
Passed away.
Not yet. And guys, just look at this juice. We ordered like fresh watermelon juice and they've given it with fibers and seeds and everything. So this is called fresh. India में सब छान वान के देते हैं, वो fresh का रहता है, फिर सब हट ही जाता है. And look at the view. Will you ever get this view with breakfast?
Perfect start to the day.
Just look at our breakfast. Yum. So we are here at the Takin Reserve and you can see the Takin animal there. Let me take you closer. See the combination of goat and cow, and they attack as well. That's why they have made such a beautiful setup with like barricades and all, but we have like a proper view, so they're not like caged or anything. It's in the open. That's very nice. So guys, look, there's so many different animals you'll not see anywhere else. Barking deer.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a yak. Scratch me. She'll just jump this way, this way, this way, somewhere from there. Our trek hi ho gaya ye mini. What's the name of the fortress?
Simtoka. Inside.
Oh, that's cool.
Inside we can't record, right? No record. Such big roses. Just look at this size of the face. We just came from the monastery inside and it was beautiful. Like there were so many monks, about like 40 monks just chanting. We couldn't video record or take pictures because it is not allowed, but we did record the chanting that the monks were doing. So I'll just add it just here and you'll understand what I'm talking about. Guys, if you want to come to Bhutan and want to do all this in your itinerary, all you gotta do is book your package from Exclusive Travels. The details and contact information is mentioned below, and I myself will look after your package and you will be in Bhutan experiencing this. So why wait? Come on, let's get on a call and book you through. There's so much greenery in Bhutan that I can't even explain. Amazing bags here, yeah. And she's making them right now, so you can see. Kitna?
100.
Little insider, guys. You can bargain a bit, like yeah, about 10% तो कम. I know हमारे Indians में होता है कि 15% bargain, but हाँ थोड़ा bargain है अगर. Yeah, I should buy this. Got this beads. Amazing. Where will you get this view? So we are having red rice and emadachi. What is the mushroom called? Shamu. Yeah, okay. Shamudatsu. So it's mushroom and cheese.
And there's I think chili also.
So guys, we've come to do a very adventurous thing. We've come for a astrology session to the College of Astrology, and today we are going to find out what is there in our past life, future, and Pema was going to translate what the astrologer says. Are you ready, Arushi?
Fingers crossed.
If you were a bird in your last life, or a king, we'll find out.
Then you was born as one of the religious person, like a monk,
Okay.
But it might be like different sects of religion, not really like Buddhist. Because of your birth sign number 9, wherever you go, whatever you do, and whatever things that it might come in the future, so you will be the top ones, compared to other people. So you will be kind of, what you say, like richness in everything.
Okay.
So you have. So you have like the 7 flower petals in your palm. So that will bring you wealth, health, everything.
But the funny part was, before entering this, I told you in your past life you would have been a bird or a king. And can you believe, जब उसने बोला कि you were a bird, I was like goosebumps. I was like, and मेरे लिए he said कि मेरे हाथ में पता नहीं क्या बोलते लोटस है, मेरी फैमिली ब्लेस्ड है क्योंकि मैं नंबर 9 हूँ और फैमिली के लिए अच्छा करती हूँ. मेरी मम्मी ये सब तो बिलीव ही नहीं करेगी. मेरी मम्मी बोलेगी घर में सबसे जो इरिटेटिंग लेजी पर्सन है वो ये क्या करेगी नंबर 9. And it's raining.
Well, Kuzu Zangpola, my name is Langa Dorji. I am the founder and CEO of the Bhutan Soul Tour and Travel. Yeah, Bhutan is not a mass tourism destination. It's exotic, and we focus more on high-end clients. My request would be those who are interested to visit Bhutan, those who are keen with nature, with landscape, with the flowers on season, especially the late spring and early summer, and also the landscape of our country, and who are keen to sort of visit some of the big fortresses or monasteries, and of course to do a lot of hikes here and there. So Bhutan is meant for those the passionate with what just I've mentioned.
Happy birthday, dear Arushi. Happy birthday to you. Going for birthday dinner, Arushi's birthday dinner, to Pemako. which is a luxury hotel here, and we're going for fine dining because it's a must in birthdays. Thank you. Having pasta.
I'm fine. I'm having papad.
Birthday girl is having papad. It looks yum. We're having gulab jamun cheesecake. Yes. और ये मैंने सबसे worst cutting of cheesecake देखा है. उसका murder हत्या हो गई है. We had an amazing dinner.
Yay.
And it's freezing. It's very cold.
अभी होटल बंद करवा के आ रहे हैं हम.
बहुत ठंड है.
हाँ देखो ना 11 हो रहा है.
11?
So correct.
Oh my god. Imagine a 0 में तो I think faint. I'll faint. I'm like 5 also I can't take it. Thank you. Good night. Good morning guys. It's day 3 and we are checking out of our hotel now in Thimphu, and we are going to Punakha and Wangdi, which is a different district here in Bhutan. And all we have to say about this hotel is the Pema by Realm. It's amazing. If you're here in Thimphu, definitely stay here because the service and the experience that you'll get is unmatchable.
They made my birthday very special. Like not one time, but many times actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I would definitely want to stay here again if I come back to Bhutan.
Yeah. And they also like left Arushi a note by all the staff members of the hotel writing a wish for her, which was so personal and touching. So guys, we are going to the Uchala Pass, which is one of the highest places that we'll go during our journey here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video.